Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your appearance in Battlefield 6. So just basically click on loadouts and click right here on appearance, and you can choose different troops right here. So let's say I want to change for the engineer, click on engineer, and here you'll see all different skins that you can unlock or change it to. So right here you can change it, let's say for this, and as you can see, some characters that can only be used in the assault class, not in the engineer. So you will have different, as you can see right here, icons that only will be available for the one troop that you choose. So let's say for the engineer, this column under this agent is only for engineers. So as you can see, this is now currently available, and I need to unlock it. As you can see, there are 3 skins that I can change to for the engineer. So this is pretty simple. That's how you customize your appearance in Battlefield 6. If this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.